Today we have a bit of a different video than the normal, unoriginal gameplay videos. We have the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, apparently, unboxing. So I need a new phone. I'm actually recording this on my S10 Plus. Need a new phone. Don't like the smaller S20. Didn't give a shit about the Ultra, all the features that it had. They're what the fuck ever to me. So I got the S20 Plus. And we're just gonna do a little bit of an unboxing because I figured out why the fuck not. Your boy's already got it pre-cut because, you know, I come prepared. Even though we can't get the box open. There, look at that. Went with the black. My current phone is white, and it seems every device I'll switch between white and black. How do fucking tech YouTubers do this? Jesus Christ, my hand. Got a little pull-out tab. Looking kind of nice. You look at my... See, look, if you look in the reflection, you can see the white that I have for the S10 Plus. There's the cameras. A little bit of fuzz already. Don't mind that. But looking pretty nice. So actually in the box itself... let me turn this around, actually. This box... it came with this, which is the smart switch adapter to go from one phone to the other. Let's go and take a dive into what else we got. We got a nice insert for some reason. We have a nice black USB-C, I'm assuming USB-C to USB-C charger. This thing is fucking thick, actually. I don't know if it comes across that in the video, but goddamn. Yo, let's see. Ooh. I assume this is the cable itself. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C for the charging block that we just got. We got some AKG headphones, you know, the normal, the usual. Ooh, and a little bundle of ear tips. Why are they like on a skewer? But this time they changed it because obviously there's no headphone jack on the Galaxy S20 Plus. Just that good old fucking speaker. Man, autofocusing is terrible. Man, what if we just focused? There we go. Look at that. No headphone jack. I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't give a shit. So now they're like USB-C headphones. I can't show it. Look in that bundle. Just, you know what I mean, man. Come on. Let's see what else we got. We got this thing, which has fucking absolutely nothing. It's just another insert, it seems. And that's it. I thought it came with a fucking SIM card ejector. Maybe that's in here and I just gotta fucking tear this bitch apart. I'm unsure. I kinda don't want to fucking destroy it, but who gives a shit, right? It's just shitty packaging. Looks like a solid nothing, boys. We're gonna take that L. I'm probably a fucking idiot. It's probably... I wonder where it is. There we go. Look at that, gamers. So we got the ejector right there. I assume we got some fucking nerd stuff in here. Hell yeah, buddy. See, is there anything else in this bit? Oh, there is. Got any more secrets, gamers? Come the fuck on. There we go. This device is packaged with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure... Yeah, whatever. Quick reference guide. You like how I got all the way through that, reading it, and then it was done? Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. I don't know how I'm going to do this because I'm a dumb bitch. But we're going to try and take it off with one hand. Oh, what's on the back? I should probably... God, I hate this. I want you to know I'm so fucking trash at this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, buddy. There we go. And then I'm just not even going to worry about the actual screen protector. But there you go. Let's go ahead and hit that motherfucking on button. Ooh, look at that, boys. Feels kind of nice. I'm not going to lie. All right, well, there you go. That's the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Bunch of paper. Wasting trees. Headphones. This is new. USB-C to USB-C charging. But there you go, boys. Stop. Stop talking.
Easily by guiding you through the steps.
I hate it here. Thanks for watching.